Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something exciting to share with you. We'll be exploring some of the top TripPlannerai websites that can help you plan your next adventure. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time explorer, these websites are here to make your trip planning experience a breeze. So, let's dive right in. Hey everyone! Today, we're going to take a closer look at some fantastic TripPlannerai websites that can assist you in organizing your dream vacation. These websites leverage artificial intelligence to provide personalized recommendations, optimize your itinerary, and ensure you have the best possible travel experience. Let's start with our first website, Roamaroundio. Roamaroundio is an excellent choice for travelers who want a comprehensive trip planning experience. Upon visiting the website, you'll be prompted to enter your destination and travel dates. The AI-powered system will then generate a tailored itinerary based on your preferences. As you can see on the screen, Roamaroundio displays popular attractions, restaurants, and activities in your chosen destination. The AI takes into account factors like your interests, budget, and available time to provide recommendations that match your preferences. One of the standout features of Roamaroundio is its ability to optimize your itinerary. The AI considers travel distances, opening hours, and other factors to ensure your schedule is efficient and well-balanced. You can also save your itinerary and access it on the go via the Roamaroundio mobile app. This way, you'll have all your travel plans in one place, making it convenient and easy to stay organized during your trip. Moving on to our next TripPlannerai website, let's explore Journey.com. Journey.com focuses on providing personalized recommendations by analyzing your travel preferences, previous trips, and feedback from other users. After creating an account, Journey.com will ask you a series of questions to better understand your travel style. The AI then uses this information to suggest destinations, activities, and accommodations that align with your interests. What sets Journey.com apart is its social aspect. You can connect with fellow travelers, exchange tips, and even collaborate on trip planning. It's a great platform to share experiences and discover hidden gems from a community of like-minded individuals. Next up, we have Tripplanner.ai. This website focuses on simplifying the trip planning process by automating various tasks and providing smart recommendations. Once you input your destination and travel dates, Tripplanner.ai SAI algorithm takes over. It suggests popular attractions, restaurants, and accommodations, while also considering factors like your budget and preferred activities. Tripplanner.ai also offers real-time updates and notifications, ensuring you're informed about any changes to your travel plans. It's a great way to stay on top of things and adapt your itinerary if needed. Now, let's talk about PlanTrips.net. A user-friendly trip planning AI website that aims to make travel planning accessible to everyone. PlanTrips.net offers a simple and intuitive interface. You can enter your destination, select your interests, and the AI generates a customized itinerary. The website also provides helpful information about visa requirements, local transportation options, and safety tips. Additionally, PlanTrips.net has a built-in collaboration feature that allows you to invite your travel companions to join and contribute to the trip planning process. It's an excellent tool for group trips where everyone's preferences can be taken into account. Process by leveraging AI algorithms and data analytics. Where2i.com uses advanced algorithms to analyze various data points, including weather conditions, flight prices, and crowd densities at different destinations. This information helps you make informed decisions when choosing your travel dates and destinations. Another standout feature of Where2i.com is its integration with popular booking platforms. Once you've finalized your itinerary, you can seamlessly book flights, accommodations, and activities directly from the website, saving you time and effort. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. We've explored 5 incredible trip planning AI websites that can revolutionize the way you plan your vacations. From personalized recommendations to smart itineraries and collaborative features, These platforms have something for every type of traveler. So, next time you're dreaming of your next adventure, consider using these websites to make your trip planning process a breeze. Happy travels, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel tips and recommendations. Until next time,